Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Math JEE Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you the first chapter, set, modulus and logarithmic based topic. The first topic will discuss the JEE Main and advanced past year paper. You can see the first question, you can see A is given to you the collection of all order pairs x comma y such that mod x plus y is greater than or equal to 3, and the second set you can see the collection of all x comma y such that mod x plus mod y is less than or equal to 3. So, C is the collection of all x comma y from the A and B intersection, right, such that either one of them should be 0. Now, you can collection of all the elements in C such that the mod x plus y we need to calculate, right. Okay, so first you have to understand the how many elements are there in A and B and C. First you are, let us find out this through the graph, right. Let me take another page. The first one is what? Mod x plus y is greater than or equal to 3, right. You know, we already know that. So, mod x is suppose greater than A means x should be greater than A or x should be less than minus A, clear. So, you know that mod x curve, this is mod x curve, right. This is suppose you can take mod x equal to A. So, we need more than A, less than, you know that less than minus A, right. So, we need this one, this is clear. So, therefore, mod x is greater than A, it is more than that, more than A is required means you have to take x value more than A, less than minus A. The same idea you can use for this one. So, mod x plus y is greater than or equal to 3 means x plus y is greater than 3 or x plus y less than or equal to minus 3. I hope everyone understood, right. Okay. Suppose you can equate this equal to 3 or x plus y is equal to minus 3. Now, you can see this straight line, two variable, right. So, y is equal to minus x plus 3, this is first one. Second one, y is equal to minus x minus 3. You know how to draw the line y is equal to minus x, right. So, you can first you can draw y is equal to minus x, right, correct. It is passing through the origin, right, y is equal to minus x, this is y is equal to minus x graph, and you can shift 3 units up, right, shift 1, 2, 3 units up. This is the graph of y is equal to minus x plus 3, okay, fine. Then how to draw the graph of y is equal to minus x minus 3 graph, but you have to see y is equal to minus x plus 3 means same as x plus y is equal to 3, right. That means x plus y should be greater than 3. So, we need the region it is more than or equal to 3. Equal to 3 means you have to stake all the points, right, on the boundary, right. You can see we need all the regions more than this, right, or equal to 3 also, right. You have to include that line also, right. And then second one you can see student, y is equal to minus x minus 3. You know y is equal to minus x graph is there, just shifted 3 units down, right, 3 units down. This is y is equal to minus x minus 3 graph. But you can see it is same as x plus y is equal to minus 3, it is same as x plus y less than or equal to, here you can see less than or equal to minus 3. That means you have to take the region less than minus 3. So, this point is minus 3 comma 0, less than minus 3 means you have to take this region, right, take this region including that line itself, right, okay, fine. So, now you can see the second graph, you can see the set B, right, set B you consider, clear, set B, what is that, B set is there, right, what is that, mod x plus mod y less than or equal to 3, right. less than or equal to 3. Clear? Okay. Fine. Less than or equal to 3. How to draw this graph? You can see, first equate this, mod x plus mod y is equal to 3. So, from this mod y is equal to minus mod x plus 3 we can write. So, for that reference graph, what you can do? First y is equal to minus x plus 3 you have to draw first. Then second thing, replace, this is your f of x, right? Replace x by mod x, right? X by mod x graph. Then what will get? Y is equal to minus mod x plus 3. And then third step, what you can do is replace y by mod y. Just mod y you can take, right? Minus mod x plus 3 is your graph. Okay, first step what you can do? First reference graph is what? Y is equal to minus x plus 3. Replace x by mod x. You already know that, suppose if you have f of x equal to x, right? This is your x, you know, if replace by mod x means what? F of mod x is equal to mod x graph, right? Clear? So, mod x you already know that, right? You can see y is equal to x graph, right? Y is equal to x graph. You know that y value here is what? Mod x, right? This is always positive, you know. So, you have to take the the negative y value not possible, right? So, you remove the left part of the graph and take the right part of the graph is a mirror image with respect to y axis. So, this is y is equal to mod x graph. Understood? The same way here you can see y is equal to minus x plus 3 is there. Just replace x by mod x, right? Then what will get? Minus mod x plus 3. So, first you can see what is the y is equal to minus x plus 3, y is equal to minus x graph, and plus 3 means you shifted 3 units up, y is equal to minus x plus 3, right. First you remove this one. Okay, let me take another color. Yes, you have to remove this completely. Okay, now what you can do? Y is equal to minus x plus 3 we drawn, right. Now, you replace x by mod x. What you can do here? If whatever the left portions of the x, so left portions means what? This one, I am taking another color. This portion is the left portions you can take, remove it. Understood? Left portions you have to remove it. Then you have whatever the right portion is there, you take the mirror image of the y axis. Understood? This is your complete the graph of y is equal to minus mod x plus 3 graph, right. Okay, now what you can do? This is a whole graph. You have to see the whole graph is this one, right. This black colored portion is y is equal to minus mod x plus 3. So, what you can do next step is apply mod y. You know that mod y is equal to here f of x means y is equal to plus or minus f of x, right. These are the possibilities there, but if y cannot be negative here, right. Understood. So, what you can do, the below y cannot be negative means what? The y values is there, no negative portions you have to remove it. You know, you have to remove this one, remove it. Here also you have to remove it, and whatever the above portions is there, you have to take the mirror image with respect to x axis. Take the mirror image with respect to x axis. Let us take whatever it is, you take the mirror image, it will be like this. The same way here you take the mirror image with respect to x axis. This is your graph, right. This is the complete graph of, what is that? Complete graph of, so mod y is equal to minus mod x plus 3 graph. This is same as mod y plus mod x is equal to 3. So what actually is required? Less than 3 is required. Mod x plus mod y less than or equal to 3. That means on the boundary and inside region also you have to take. Understood? Therefore, the complete graph is, you can see the complete graph, you can see this is your graph. So this is your 0 comma 3, right, 0 comma 3, this is your 3 comma 0, you can see this one will be minus 3 comma 0. So you can see this is your graph. This is your graph of mod x plus mod y equal less than or equal to 3. So less than or equal to means a boundary and inside the region also you have to take, right. This is 0 comma minus 3. These are the boundary, right. And one more thing, the first set we already know that mod x plus y is greater than or equal to 3. Understood? That means we have to take, you can see we need including this boundary and above portions. The same way y is equal to minus x minus 3, right, this is the graph, right, this one and the boundary you have to take. Clear? Okay. Now the complete these two graph region is what? Corner points only. You can see the first graph is boundary and above region. Y is equal to minus x plus 3, y is equal to minus x minus 3, right. So you have to take on the boundary on the above region and below region. But you can see second graph is completely on the boundary and inside the region. The whole things which is the common 0 3 3 0 0 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 0. This is your collection of set C, right, because the collection of C is what? Collection of all x comma y belongs to the intersection of A and B. Either one of them should be 0, right. Therefore, the C would be, these are the common regions, right, 0 comma 3 and 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3. These are the 4 points is possible in C. But what actually is we need to find out x comma y belongs to C such that mod x plus y we need to find out sum of all the x and y values you have to calculate, right. So if you calculate this, this is 3, this is also 3, this is mod minus 3, right. So minus 3 plus 0, mod minus 3 is what? Plus 3, right. Here also 3. So that means 4 into 3 is 12 is your answer. I hope everyone understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and you have to share to your friends. I hope everyone understood. So thank you everyone.